I need to get to this workout because I'm so excited to do it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we are going to do another Fitmas challenge, Kris Kringle style. Well, not exactly Kris Kringle style because I decided to add this video last minute. In today's video, I decided to add my girl Kirsten QUICKFIT 12 Days of Fitmas challenge preview, where she does a preview of what she has for the 12 Days of Fitmas. Go check out her channel right now because her videos will be out. I love Kirsten's workouts. I have been doing them consistently, her 5-minute ab workouts, and they will be included in my 30-day ab challenge, which is going to be coming out soon. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Daniela. I'm on a journey to lose 100 pounds, and I'm determined to not let this holiday season defeat me, as it has in the past. Last year, I was on point, and this year, I want to continue the tradition. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to join me on my journey, and smash that like button, everyone, because it helps me out. Anyway, I need to get to this workout because I'm so excited to do it. Let's go. So, 304 calories burned in 30 minutes. That was a solid workout, Kirsten. I absolutely enjoy it. Everybody, please go do that workout. It is a great workout, whether you're beginner, intermediate, or advanced, because she gives you options throughout the workouts. I just love how she combined all of the exercises together because you get a nice burn, especially on those push-ups. I love the compound movement of the upright row to shoulder press, and I also enjoyed the way she does high knees. I normally do high knees without the hands like that, but I like it that way because for some reason it takes less pressure off my lower back because I'm crunching in that core. Again, I do have an injury that I'm dealing with. I've been dealing with it for years, so when my core activates, it takes the pain out of my lower back. So yeah, I'm all about standing abs. That was a great workout. I cannot wait to do more. I might add more of it because she's got 1,000 squat challenge coming up. I'm totally gonna do that. She's got 12 minutes of core, so why not? And if I have too much content, I can just upload it for after Christmas. It's still the holiday season. December is Christmas. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to join me on my journey to lose 100 pounds. See you in the next video. Bye.